12 unique examples for OpenAI's GPTs for small business owners. Welcome, small business owners. Today, we will explore generative pre-trained transformers, GPTs. GPTs are cutting-edge technology that can revolutionize business operations, improve customer experiences, and drive innovation. Let's unlock the untapped potential of GPTs with these top 12 examples. Get ready to transform your business and propel it towards unprecedented growth. Example 1. Market Research Analysis. GPTs can empower you with deep market insights, enabling you to make informed decisions. Let's explore how you can leverage this technology for comprehensive market research analysis. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Gather relevant market research data, including industry trends, competitor analysis, and valuable customer feedback. 2. Input this extensive dataset into a sophisticated GPT-powered analysis tool to unlock powerful insights and identify emerging patterns. 3. Utilize the generated reports to gain invaluable knowledge about market trends and accurately identify customer preferences. 4. Using these insights, you can shape your marketing strategy to target your audience and stay ahead of the competition effectively. Successful example. The boutique clothing store's use of GPTs yielded impressive results. This enabled them to understand the ever-changing fashion trends, creating successful and personalized advertising campaigns that strongly connected with their target market. Example 2. Business Reports Generation. Generating comprehensive business reports is vital for strategic planning and decision-making. Let's explore how GPTs can empower you to create detailed reports with valuable insights effortlessly. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Collect all relevant business performance data across various departments and operational aspects of your organization. 2. Input this vast amount of data into a powerful GPT-powered reporting tool that can effectively analyze and summarize complex information. 3. Leverage this advanced technology to generate comprehensive reports that outline valuable business insights, trends, and potential growth opportunities. 4. Use these insightful reports to inform your strategic planning and decision-making processes. 5. These reports can also be valuable for presentations to stakeholders, enabling you to communicate your business goals and progress effectively. Successful example. An independent bookstore utilized advanced analytical reports from a state-of-the-art GPT tool. These reports allowed them to gain valuable insights and identify new growth opportunities. Example 3. Automating invoicing processes. Streamlining your invoicing processes can save you time and effort while ensuring accuracy. Discover how GPTs can help you automate invoicing tasks effortlessly. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Integrate an advanced GPT-based invoicing system seamlessly with your existing accounting software or platforms. 2. Program the system with all necessary billing details, client information, and relevant financial data. 3. Use this intelligent system to automatically generate and send invoices to clients, reducing the need for manual work and decreasing the chances of errors. 4. Monitor payments, follow-ups, and outstanding invoices through the system's user-friendly dashboard, ensuring seamless financial management. Successful example. A freelance graphic design studio decreased their administrative time by 40% using an automated invoicing system generated by GPT. This system streamlined their invoicing processes and improved efficiency. Example 4. Training employee soft skills. Enhancing your team's soft skills fosters a positive work environment and delivers exceptional customer experiences. Discover how GPT-driven simulations can help you train your employees effectively. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Identify the crucial soft skills that you aspire to cultivate or strengthen within your team members, including but not limited to effective communication, empathetic understanding, and exceptional problem-solving capabilities. 2. Capitalize on cutting-edge GPT-based training software that allows you to create interactive scenarios simulating real-life workplace situations. 3. Conduct simulation-based training sessions using this advanced technology to provide employees with hands-on experiences that foster skill development. 4. Gather feedback from participants and assess improvements in performance over time to ensure continuous growth. Successful example. The team responsible for customer service experienced a significant enhancement in their communication abilities and witnessed a notable boost in customer satisfaction as a direct result of their participation in a training program that effectively utilized simulations powered by GPT technology. Example 5. Predictive analytics for inventory management. Efficiently managing inventory is crucial for cost optimization and meeting customer demands promptly. Discover how predictive analytics powered by GPTs can help you optimize your inventory management processes effectively. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Gather historical sales data, market trends, and other relevant information about your inventory management practices. 2. Use an advanced analytics tool based on GPT technology to process large volumes of data. This tool can provide accurate predictions about future stock needs. 3. Utilize these invaluable insights generated by the tool to adjust your inventory orders strategically, minimizing overstock or shortages. 4. Continuously monitor the accuracy of the system's predictions over time and refine them based on real-time data for enhanced precision. Successful example. A craft supply store achieved outstanding results by implementing advanced GPT-driven predictive analytics. This enabled them to predict their inventory needs and optimize their operations accordingly accurately. As a result, they successfully reduced their overstock by an impressive 20%. Example 6. Idea generation for new products. This example showcases the incredible potential of GPTs in generating imaginative and unique ideas. By taking a specific set of inputs, GPTs have the power to produce plausible and innovative outputs. The GPT takes in a few prompts about a product, such as its purpose, target audience, and features. The GPT generates a list of new product ideas based on the input provided. These ideas can serve as starting points for further exploration. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Start your creative journey by collecting thorough data on current market trends and direct customer insights. This will ensure that the information provided to the GPT is up to date and highly relevant. 2. Engage with a cutting-edge GPT and use carefully crafted prompts to generate innovative ideas. Include the intended use, desired demographic, and distinctive product features in the prompts. 3. Evaluate and consider the extensive list of ideas provided by GPT. This evaluation process involves assessing each concept's originality, practicality, and alignment with consumer needs and market gaps. 4. Choose the most promising ideas from your innovation process. Develop and refine them through iteration. Prepare them for prototyping and testing in the market. Success example. The story tells about a tech gadget firm that became a market leader by using GPT-driven ideas. Using AI-generated insights, they developed an innovative product and successfully introduced it to the global market, captivating consumers worldwide. Their exceptional achievement has now become a standard for the entire industry. Example 7. Sentiment analysis for customer feedback. The main objective is to evaluate the general sentiment towards products or services and pinpoint any possible areas that require enhancements. Businesses can understand customer opinions on their products and services by analyzing customer feedback. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Start by collecting and organizing customer feedback from different channels, such as reviews, comments, and surveys. This will help gather a comprehensive dataset for analysis. 2. Utilize a sophisticated sentiment analysis tool to input valuable feedback from customers and acquire a thorough understanding of their sentiments. 3. Analyze the output carefully. Identify key patterns, trends, and sentiments in the data. Highlight both the positive aspects and the areas that need improvement. 4. It involves utilizing the valuable insights gained from the analysis process to make well-informed decisions that improve and enhance your products and services to a level that has never been reached before. Success example. A beauty brand found success by using sentiment analysis to improve its product line based on positive sentiment trends. This allowed them to attract customers with offerings that fulfilled their desires. Example 8. Customer service chatbots. One of the most remarkable ways GPTs can reshape your business is by revolutionizing customer service. Let's look at how you can set up an intelligent chatbot powered by GPT. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Select a robust platform that seamlessly integrates GPT-based chatbots into your existing infrastructure. 2. Define and compile a comprehensive list of common customer queries and concerns related to your business domain. 3. Train the chatbot with these queries to ensure accurate and reliable responses. 4. Thoroughly test the chatbot with various scenarios to fine-tune its performance and make it highly dependable. 5. Deploy the chatbot on your website or customer service platform after you are happy with its capabilities. Successful example. A local bakery improved customer service by implementing a chatbot powered by GPT technology. This allowed them to manage customer orders and address common inquiries efficiently. As a result, they reduced wait times and significantly increased customer satisfaction. Example 9. Content creation for social media. Creating captivating content is essential in today's digital landscape. GPTs can be your creative ally in this endeavor. Let's explore how you can leverage them to craft compelling content for your social media platforms. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Identify key themes and topics relevant to your brand and target audience. 2. Utilize a GPT tool to generate abundant content ideas and drafts tailored to your specific objectives. 3. Personalize AI-generated content by infusing it with your brand's unique voice, tone, and personality. 4. Schedule and publish this engaging content across your social media platforms to captivate your audience and foster meaningful connections. Successful example. A fitness center saw success by using GPT-generated workout tips to increase its online presence and engagement. This strategy helped to create a larger community and improve engagement. Example 10. Email marketing personalization. Personalized email campaigns have the power to captivate your audience and drive conversions. Let's uncover how GPTs can effortlessly help you create personalized email campaigns that leave a lasting impression. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Segment your email list based on various criteria such as demographics, purchase history, or engagement levels to ensure precise targeting. 2. Use a state-of-the-art GPT-based email tool to create customized email content for different groups easily. 3. Continuously analyze campaign results to fine-tune and optimize future emails, ensuring maximum impact and effectiveness. Successful example. The use of personalized GPT-generated product recommendations resulted in a significant 25% increase in open rates for a small tech retailer. These recommendations were explicitly tailored to each segment of their customer base, which contributed to their success. Example 11. Product descriptions. Compelling product descriptions play a crucial role in capturing the attention of potential customers. Let's explore how GPTs can help you craft enticing product descriptions that highlight the unique value of your offerings. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Begin by listing and analyzing your products or services' essential features, benefits, and selling points. 2. Utilize the power of a cutting-edge GPT-enabled writing tool to generate refined descriptions based on the inputs you provide. 3. Carefully review and edit the AI-generated descriptions, ensuring they align seamlessly with your brand's tone, style, and unique identity. 4. Update your website with these captivating product descriptions that effectively communicate the value proposition of each offering. Successful example. The jewelry shop saw a substantial 30% increase in online sales by using GPT-generated descriptions to update their product pages. The descriptions were carefully written and effectively conveyed the unique qualities of each piece. Example 12. Language translation for global reach. Having effective language translation capabilities is essential for expanding your business globally. Accurately communicating with customers and partners who speak different languages is crucial for successful international growth. Investing in translation services helps you communicate clearly with your target audience in different countries. This will help foster stronger relationships and drive business performance on a global scale. Discover how GPTs can instantly bridge language barriers and enable you to reach diverse audiences worldwide. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Select a reliable, cutting-edge GPT-powered translation service that caters to your requirements. 2. Input all relevant text from your website, marketing materials, or other communication channels into this intelligent translation system. 3. Leverage the power of GPTs to translate the content instantly into multiple desired languages accurately. 4. Review and adjust the translations thoroughly to retain local nuances and cultural sensitivities. Successful example. A specialty food store used an advanced GPT-powered translation service to offer their website in multiple languages. As a result, they expanded their global reach and increased customer engagement, successfully tapping into new markets. And there you have it. 12 powerful examples showcasing how GPTs can revolutionize your small business operations across various aspects. Harnessing these advancements can propel your business towards unprecedented growth and success, from transforming customer service experiences to expanding global reach through language translation capabilities. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found these insights valuable. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking tips to empower your business's journey toward excellence.